Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to view your ePass payment history. We will also put useful links for your vehicle in the description below. To start, open the website cfxway.com, then click on ePass Login. Now log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for View Payment History. Click on View Payment History. On the pop-up window, select the date range of the payment history you wish to view. Then click on Apply. That's how you view your ePass payment history. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.